G2A is one of the biggest marketplace for game keys, but its reputation is controversial. On the legit side, many buyers do get working keys at cheaper prices and the platform has millions of transactions. However, developers and gamers have repeatedly warned that G2A is often a hub for fraudulent or stolen keys, which can lead to revoked access and financial harm to game studios. Customer experiences are mixed. Some report smooth purchases, while others complain about invalid keys, hidden fees, and poor support. Because G2A doesn't fully verify sellers, the risk is passed on to the buyer. Communities on Reddit and YouTube often describe it as a gray market, not an outright scam, but not trustworthy either. G2A works, but it's a high risk marketplace. You might save money, but you could also end up with a revoked or stolen key. For peace of mind, official stores like Steam, Epic Games, or Humble Bundle are safer choices.